I call this my feel like $1,000,000 dress. You have tons of jersey fabric, double brush poly, cotton lycra, even athletic knit. But what dress can you actually make with all stretchy stash? The answer is Willow Wrap Dress and Peplum, and it's today's feature pattern. I call this my feel like $1,000,000 dress. And I think it's the perfect project to transform all that stretchy fabric that you have in your stash into something that's comfy, wearable, flattering, and a joy to sew. This classic wrap silhouette is perfect for all of those stretchy fabrics. Something that's soft, that's drapey, and I know you have a ton of those taking up space in your bins right now. And today, our special guest on the Love Notions channel is Kayla, and she has lots of sewing inspiration for you for this dress. This is just a quick little video to get your mind going for all of the possibilities with Willow. So Kayla is showing off her whole collection of Willow Wrap makes in lots of different fabrics, and she's also giving you a super quick tutorial on how to make this sleeveless. It's the simplest adjustment. And it's gonna leave you with a clean, professional finish, and it'll be nice and cool for the summer months. You're gonna love her ideas, and please make sure that you put that fabric stash to good use. Mine here, I sewed this 6 years ago using a double brush poly and just my regular sewing machine. I didn't even have a serger at that time. So this is such a great pattern for you to pick up today. I hope you enjoy Kayla's piece, and I hope that you enjoy Willow Wrap Dress as much as I do.
Today's Feature Friday pattern is the Willow Wrap Top and Dress. I love this pattern. I have it in tons of different fabrics. Athletic brush poly, cotton lycra, more cotton lycra, more athletic brush poly, another one in cotton lycra, more cotton lycra, and double brush poly. Today I'm going to show you how I make mine a tank. First, I measure 3/4 of an inch on the edge of the shoulder seam and the underarm seam. I'm going to connect the two using a smooth line. This one isn't so smooth. I'm going to go back and clean that up. You can also use a French curve or use the pattern piece as a guide. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the back pattern piece as I did on the front. Next, I'll cut out my fabric and using the instructions, construct the crossover and the shoulder seams. Next thing, I will measure the circumference of the arm. My size large is 20 inches. I multiplied this number by 0.9, mine is 18 inches, and cut 2 bands, 18, using the same width as the crossover binding. I just use the pattern piece. Next, I attach it to the arm opening as shown. I will understitch, but not top stitch. That will be saved till the end. Next, I'll follow the instructions and attach the bodice to the skirt, both the front and the back. Then I will sew the front and the back together at the side seams, being sure that the binding that I used for the armband is flat. Turn the binding inward. It should lay pretty flat if it's understitched, and top stitch around the circumference of the arm. I used athletic fabric for this one from WayMaker Fabrics. Doesn't it look great? I also had to make another tank using double brush poly. You can find more details on all my makes on Instagram at Kayla Smith Sews.